So today I'm going to be sanding some tabletops, assembling, polying. So a little bit about how we actually make the tables is that Nick will do all the milling, the joining, the table sawing of the raw lumber, and then I'll make it into the actual table tops and blanks. So we cut it into thinner strips. It's not one plank of wood because that can warp itself over time, or clamp racks. So I will glue all the pieces together and then you clamp it together, run it through a planer, put it on the CNC, and then we start the sanding process on the edge sander. Now these blanks that we're looking at here have already been run through my drum sander. All I need to do now is take my orbital sander and give it a little finish sand. All right, let's assemble some tables. I'm gonna keep my mask on because it's pretty dusty in here still. Scraping out bits left over from the CNC. Already sanded the legs, get some glue. Here. So assembly is pretty easy. Just put some glue in here and on the tenons. If you don't want to pay me to assemble and finish your table, you can also buy it just like this in a kit and assemble and finish it yourself. And now we're gonna poly.